Hello guys, this is outside where we normally shoot. Go away Zane, you don't gotta shoot me with this.
Hey guys.
Again. He gets to shoot me once.
Yep.
He's probably gonna shoot me 4 times though.
I'm not. There's like 2 bullets in there, so.
Anyway, he's gonna be doing it in Call of Duty mode. Okay. If I die, please like and subscribe and make a grade for me, and please love me. Even though nobody loves you. But okay, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be. Okay. There's no bullets in it. I was doing that, like, nothing in it. I didn't even hit you. Okay, technical difficulty.
Technical difficulty.
We'll be back in a minute. Okay, here we are again. Technical difficulties over. We'll see you in the lineup for the shooting. See you in a minute. So hey guys, we're back. This is what I'm shooting him with. It's a 2 caliber rifle, even though that's complete lies. I'm trying to. You hear that, guys at home? Hold on. Hold on, I'm going to set this down and go. And can you see him, ladies and gentlemen? Looky, there we go. So guys, that was us. Let's see if he's got a mark yet. It's like right on my.
Oh mate, that's.
Have I? Oh no. Okay. Callum Ferguson. Oh, please like, subscribe if you want more. Comment who's gonna win the next one. It's gonna be me. I'm telling you
Yo,
that.
Callum.
I'll let you win. Please, see you later. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to make it likely 3 minutes long. Please like and subscribe. FIFA Skills HD, Callum Ferguson. See ya.